Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 6, Microsoft Excel. What's inside? In this chapter, you will learn about starting MS Excel, workbook and worksheet, entering data in Excel, doing calculations, to calculate sum using AutoSum function, to calculate the sum using formula, saving a workbook. Rahul, many a time you look at some documents in tabular form. Their data is presented to you in rows and columns format, which we call spreadsheets. Let's study about working in spreadsheet software called Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software widely used to perform mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. It provides built-in features and tools such as formulas, functions and data analysis tools that make it easier to work with large amount of data. MS Excel is the most popular software that helps us to prepare menus, bills, mark sheets and scoreboards, etc. Starting MS Excel. To start an MS Excel, perform the following steps. Type Microsoft Excel in Windows 10 search box. Workbook and worksheet. When you start Excel, you open a file which is called a workbook. It is like a notebook that has number of pages in it. Each new workbook comes with 3 worksheets, like pages in a document, known as Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Data is entered into the worksheet. You can add additional worksheets if you need more than 3. Data can be viewed in a worksheet by clicking on its Sheet tab. A worksheet is divided into rows and columns. Columns. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top. The first 26 columns have the letters from A through Z, then A through AZ and carrying up to XFD. Each worksheet contains 16,384 columns. Rows. Each row also has a heading. Row headings are numbers ranging from 1 to 104856. Cell. A cell is the space which is formed by the intersection of one row and one column. Each small rectangle in a spreadsheet is called a cell. Cell reference. The heading of a column and a row combines to form the cell address, also called a cell reference. 2 small buttons appear to the left of the formula bar. The cancel button can be used to cancel the data entry. The enter button works like an enter key. Cell pointer. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that indicates which cell is active at the moment. Entering data in Excel. You can enter 2 types of data in worksheet cells, number and text. 1. Click on the cell where you want to enter the data. 2. Type your data into the cell. 3. Press the Enter key to move the pointer down by 1 cell. Press the Tab key to move to the next adjoining cell towards right. 4. Click on the cell B1 and type Pocket Money Expenses. 5. Press the Enter key. 6. Click on the cell A3 and type Items. 7. Press the Tab key and type Date. 8. Press the right arrow key and type Amount. 9. Click on the cell A4 and type Patty and press the Enter key. 10. Similarly, type rest of the given items and data. Doing calculations. The spreadsheet has powerful built-in tools such as functions and formulas to perform calculations on the data. A formula calculates values displayed in the cell to return a result. A formula consists of a combination of a cell reference numbers and arithmetic operators. A formula begins with an equal to sign. Calculations in Excel are often used to sum up a column or a row of data. To calculate sum using AutoSum function, the AutoSum function offers a shortcut to add up these columns and rows of data. Let's try. 1. Click on the cell C8 and press the Auto Sum button. 2. Excel will suggest the range C4, C7. 3. Press the Enter key. 4. The sum of values in cell C4, C7 is calculated and entered in the cell C8. To calculate the sum using formula, 1. Click on the cell C8 where you want to enter a formula. 2. Type is equal to and equal to sign. If you do not begin a formula with an equal to sign, Excel will display the information that you have typed as text instead of using the data in calculation. 3. Type the first cell reference, that is C4. 4. Enter an arithmetic operator plus and then type C5. 5. Repeat the steps until C7 to compute the formula that is equal to C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7. 6. Click the Enter button on the formula bar or press the Enter key to get the result. Saving a workbook. To save a workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the Office button and select Save As option. 2. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the drive and the folder in the Save As list box where you want to save the workbook. 4. Type the file name in the file name text box. 5. Click on the Save button. 6. The file will be saved. Points at a glance. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software widely used to perform mathematical calculations. A new workbook comes with 3 worksheets. A cell is the space which is formed by the intersection of one row and one column. A cell pointer is a highlighted cell boundary that indicates which cell is active at the moment. A formula begins with an equal to sign.
Like, share and subscribe.